Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Scope IIT. Today we will discuss about the topic multiplexer. Okay. Now what do you mean by multiplexer? A multiplexer is a combinational circuit that has multiple input and single output. Okay. So basically what do you mean by multiplexer? Multiplexer, that means it will take multiple input. Okay, but output will be only one. That is a single output. Okay. Now basically there is one equation for multiplexer, that is 2 ka power n tends to 1. Okay. Now here 2 ka power n is nothing but number of input. Okay. And 1, that is nothing but number of output. And what is n? N is nothing but number of signals. Okay. Now here please try to understand. So here 2 ka power n is what? 2 ka power n is basically your input. And what is 1? 1 is basically your output. Okay. Now here there are many types of multiplexers. Okay. If we'll discuss about types of multiplexer, there are many types. There are many types of multiplexer, and multiplexer basically is also known as mux. Okay. So there are many different types of multiplexer. For example, there we have 2 cross 1 multiplexer. Then even we have 4 cross 1 multiplexer. Okay, and so on, like you can say even 8 cross 1 multiplexer, then even you have 16 cross 1 multiplexer, it can continue 32 cross 1 multiplexer. Okay, so there are many different types of multiplexers possible over here. Okay, now here in this video we will cover 2 cross 1 and 4 cross 1 multiplexer completely with its circuit diagram and all. Okay, now what do you mean by 2 cross 1 multiplexer? First of all, so see here 2 cross 1. So 2 cross 1, that means there how many input will be there? There will be 2 input. Okay. And 1. How many output will be there? 1 output. So in this case, how many signals will be there? So here you can see what is the power of 2. So that we got here 2. Okay. So if you have 2 ka power 0. Okay. If you have 2 ka power 0, in that case your value will be 1. Right. If you have 2 ka power 1, in that case your answer will be what? 2. So here we are having 2. So that means 2 ka power how much? 1. So in that case your signal is nothing but 1. Similarly 4 cross 1. Similarly in 4 cross 1, how to get 4? 2 ka power 2, right? So in that case how many signals are there? There will be 2 signals. If we'll talk about 8 cross 1, there will be 3 signals. Similarly 16 cross 1, there will be 4 signals. I hope it's clear. Now we will discuss about different types of multiplexer. So first we will discuss about 2 cross 1 multiplexer. See here, 2 cross 1 multiplexer. Okay. Now in 2 cross 1 multiplexer, first of all we will draw the this one block diagram for 2 cross 1 multiplexer. So this is basically your 2 cross 1 multiplexer. Okay. Now in 2 cross 1 multiplexer, how many input will be there? 2 input, right? And in multiplexer, output is always 1. Okay. Here you can give any name. Okay. I'm giving as A0 and A1. And output I'm giving here as Y. Okay. Now here, how many signals will be there? So as I explained previously, how many signals? 1 signal. Okay. So like this, we will draw 1 signal. So this is basically the block diagram of 2 cross 1 multiplexer. Okay. The next thing we need over here is expression. Y is equals to. Okay. So we need to generate here equation. Okay. Now here, remember this expression, no need to by heart anything. Okay. So how to draw it? Okay. How to write the equation without by heart? So see, now here there is only one signal. Okay, so in digital logic, if you have only one signal, that means how many possibility, either 0 or 1? And suppose if I say we have 2 signals, then how many possibility? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. 4 possibility, right? But here there is only one signal. So how many possibility? 2, right? So, and one more thing. See, in exam, you have to draw this diagram only, okay? Don't write what I'm writing right now. This is just for understanding how to generate the expression. In exam, block diagram should be this much, okay? Now here, as I told you, there is only one signal, that means 0 or 1, okay? So here I'll write 0 and here I'll write 1. Now try to understand how I'll generate the equation. See, Here, I have one more thing, 0. 0 means bar. What do you mean by 0? 0 means bar and 1 means no bar, like normal S, okay? Now see, here 0. So first of all, input is A0. So we'll write here A0 and 0. 0 is for what? This is basically for S, okay? This is 0 is for S. So it will become S bar plus, then what you have? A1. Okay, then in A1, what you have here? 1. 1 means there is no bar. So S it will be. Okay. So what is the expression for this one? 2 cross 1 multiplexer? A0 S bar plus A1 S. Understood? Now, we need to generate the truth table for this one. Okay. So how to generate the truth table? We'll see. Okay, this is the truth table I'm constructing over here. So, now see, in this truth table, what we have in the truth table, one is your input, okay, and the another one is your output. Okay, now here what input we have given? What is the input over here? Input basically is the signal, that is 0 and 1, right? So here we'll write first of all signal, and what is your output? Your output is nothing but Y. Okay, so signal what we have? Only 0 or 1. Similarly output, okay, so 0 we have connected with which one? A0, right? So that's why we'll write here A0. And 1 we have connected, see here, 1 we have connected with A1. Okay, so here in this truth table we will write A. Okay, so this is your truth table for 2 cross 1 multiplexer. Okay, next we are going to draw the circuit diagram. Okay, now how to draw the circuit diagram for this one? Now here circuit diagram basically we draw based on this expression. Okay, now here how many OR operators? So you can see here plus. Okay, I already covered in my last video about digital this one diagrams. Okay, logic gates. So plus, dots and all. Okay, so plus basically that is for OR. Okay, and dot, that is basically for AND gate. Okay, remember this if you don't know. Okay, so plus is basically for OR and dot is basically for AND. So here plus means OR. Okay, so there will be one OR gate. Okay, so I'll construct here one OR gate. Okay, and this OR gate will give you output as Y. Okay, and what is the input in this OR gate? Two NAND gates. Here you can see nothing, so there will be dot in the middle. Okay, so it will be connected through two AND gates. So this is one AND gate and this is one AND gate, and they both are connected to this OR gate, right? You can see and they are connected with plus. Okay, so this will go like this. Okay, now what is the input in this AND gate? A0 S bar, and in second AND gate A1 and S. Okay, so here I'll write S. Okay, then here A0 and here A1. Okay, so first of all A0 will go in first AND input and A1 will go in second AND input. Okay, what is another input in first NAND gate? Okay, that is an S bar. Okay, so I'll take this straight line and here I'll connect the NOT gate. Why I'm connecting NOT gate? Because it is bar. Bar means NOT, and then I'll connect with this. Okay, but here there is no NOT gate. We need S only. Okay, so we will take this line before this NOT gate. Okay, like this. So this is basically the circuit diagram for 2 cross 1 multiplexer. Clear? This much you have to write in the exam. If they'll ask you, write a short note on multiplexer or explain 2 cross 1 multiplexer. Usually in exam, they'll ask you 4 cross 1 multiplexer. Okay, 2 cross 1 very rare. In case they'll ask you short note, at that time you can write. Okay. So now we'll discuss about how to do 4 cross 1 multiplexer. Okay. 4 cross 1 box. Okay, if you want you can pause the video and you can try it by yourself. Actually it's easy only. Okay, so first of all what we will draw? First of all we will draw the block diagram here also, right? So in this block diagram how many input will be there? 4 cross 1 multiplexer. So how many input? 4 inputs, right? So we will draw here 4 inputs. Okay, and how many output will be there? Only one output. So output I name it as Y, and input also I'll name it as A0, A1 and all only. Okay, so here A0. See, that doesn't matter if you write A0, A1, A2, A3 from down to up or up to down. Okay, that doesn't matter. Your answer will be same. Then A1, then A2, then A3. This is input. Okay. Now, how many signals will be there? So, as it is 4 cross 1, 4 means 2 ka power 2. So, there will be 2 signals. So, I will name it as S0 and S1. Okay. And here in the middle, you should write it's a 4 cross 1 mux. Okay, you have to write it. Okay, so that's all. This is the block diagram for 4 cross 1 multiplexer. Okay, now what we want, now we need to generate the expression. Okay, so expression, I'll write it here. See, now as I told you, there are 2 signals. Okay, so in that case, possibility 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1, right? So here we will write 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. Okay, and what is this? This is basically S0 and S1, right? And you already know 0 means S bar and 1 means no bar, right? So see, first of all, input will be your A0, and with as A0 you have both 0 0 0 0 means S0 bar, S1 bar. Okay, plus second is your A1, and with A1 0 0 means S0 bar and S1. Okay, then third will be what? A2, then again 1 0 1 0 means S0 and S1 bar. Okay, plus A3. Now here both are 1 1, right? 1 1 means both without bar, right? So it will be S0 and S1. Okay, so this is basically the expression, okay, for 4 cross 1 multiplexer. Okay, now how to construct the truth table for this one? Now see, here also in the truth table, that is same input and output. Okay, so the first one is your input. Okay, and the another one is your output, right? Next, this is your input and this is your output. Okay, so what is the input here? Signal S0 and S1, because 2, right? In the last one, 2 cross 1, there was only one signal, that's why. Okay, and output is what? Y. So as there are 2 signals of possibility, 0 0 0 1 1 0, and the last is your 1 1, right? Now 0 0 you have connected to A0, then 0 1 you have connected to A1, 1 0 to A2, and 1 1 to A3. So this is basically a truth table for 4 cross 1 multiplexer. Okay, and the last circuit diagram. Okay, now see, in this circuit diagram you can see there are 3 plus. Okay, but it is possible that in one OR gate only we can connect more than one AND gate or any another operator. Okay, so here this one OR gate will be only single, so I'll draw only single OR gate. Okay, and that is nothing but output is bar. Now how many AND gate are required? So 1 2 3 and 4 AND gates are required, right? So here we will draw 4 AND gates. Okay, so we'll draw 4 AND gate, and this 4 AND gate output will go to this OR gate, right? So this you connect it with OR gate. Okay, now what is the input will go to AND gate? To the first AND gate A0, S0 as well. Okay, so first how to make it easy? Okay, first you write it here A0. In the second AND gate A1 will go, third AND gate A2, and the fourth AND gate we will have A3. Okay, and here connect it directly. A0, A1, again I'll connect A0, A1, A2 and A3. First we'll connect this. Okay, and the next thing what we have, S0 and S1, right? Now here in the first case we want S0 and S1 as bar, right? Here see, S0 bar, S1 bar. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll take a straight line, I'll AND here NOT gate, and I'll connect, right? Similarly in S1, I'll take a straight line, I'll connect NOT gate and I'll make it straight, okay? Next, in A1, we need S0 as NOT gate, okay? So take a line after this NOT gate in S0. But in S1, what they need? In S1 need without bar, right? Here you can see S0 with bar, S1 without bar. So S1 line, we will take it before this NOT gate. Okay. Then in A2, S0 is without bar, okay? So take it before this NOT gate. Okay, and S1 basically is with bar, okay? So where is your S1? Here. And with bar, that is here after this NOT gate, okay? So take a straight line from here and connect it to this one, okay? Then the last one, both without bar, okay? So this is already without bar, so I'll take a line from here, and this is without bar, S1 is connected here, so we'll take a straight line. No need to take it from the beginning, right? So this is a circuit diagram for 4x1 multiplexer. I hope it's clear. All of you try to draw an 8x1 multiplexer, okay? And if possible, post your answer in the comment, okay? Definitely I'll reply. That's all with today's video. Everything about multiplexer, 2x1 and 4x1 multiplexer. This topic is very important for your university exam. Okay, if you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.